Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you what is probability in mathematics. So, probability is, as we know, the likeliness of an event to occur. So in mathematics, the formula for probability is given as the number of favorable outcomes. Probability for any event E is given as number of favorable outcomes for E upon the total number of outcomes. So this is a simple concept, and this is also a theoretical concept. Probability of an event does not equal the theoretical probability of an event does not necessarily equal the practical probability. So we will come to know that afterwards. So the probability of any event E ranges from 0 to 1. That is, the least value that a probability can have is 0, and the highest value that probability can have is 1. In between it can have any value. So now let us do an example based on this formula what we have studied right now. So let us consider a bag. Let us consider a bag containing 3 red balls and 5 white balls. Now, what is the probability that we pick a ball and it turns out to be red? So let us consider an event E such that a red ball is picked up. Now, the probability of picking a red ball is P of E number of favorable outcomes for picking up a red ball. That is 3, because there are 3 red balls in the bag. So at most we can have 3 red balls picked out. So the favorable outcomes for picking a red ball is 3, and the total number of outcomes is 8. Like, we can pick 8 balls out of that bag, so the total number of outcomes is 8. So the probability of picking a red ball from the bag is 3 by 8. Likewise, we can also find the probability of picking a white ball from the bag, which is equal to, let us give the name of the event BW. A white ball is picked up. So the P of W is 5 by 8. So picking up of a white ball has the probability of 5 by 8. So it is, as we can see, P of W is greater than P of E. So the probability that a white ball will be picked up is more. So it is more likely to, and like if we pick a ball from the bag, it is more likely to be white than to be red. So here one more thing to notice is the probability of not picking up red ball is also 5 by 8. That is, picking up of white ball is also an event. We can name it as not picking up of red ball. So not picking up of red ball is also 5 by 8.